বর্তমান ভারতবর্ষে বিভিন্ন বৃত্তির মাধ্যমে যুবকরা এগিয়ে চলেছে দুর্বার গতিতে। ভারতবর্ষে বর্তমানে বিভিন্ন কোর্সেস, বিভিন্ন ফ্যাসিলিটিস এবং বিভিন্ন অপরচুনিটি আমাদের যারা যুবারা রয়েছে তাদের জন্য কিন্তু প্রস্তুত রয়েছে। তার মধ্যে একটা ভিন্ন ধারার অথচ খুবই কনভেনশনাল একটা অকুপেশন, সেটা হলো প্যাকেজিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে শামিল হওয়া আমাদের যুবাদের জন্য একটা খুব লুক্রেটিভ অপরচুনিটি। আমার সাথে আছেন ইন্ডিয়ান ইনস্টিটিউট অফ প্যাকেজিং এর অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ডিরেক্টর মিস্টার মাদান মোহন। ওনার সাথে আমরা আজ কথোপকথনে যাব, প্যাকেজিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রি সম্পর্কে আমরা জানবো। সো ফার্স্ট অফ অল, ওয়ার্ম ওয়েলকাম টু ইউ অ্যান্ড অন বিহাফ অফ দূরদর্শন ফ্যামিলি। The first question that I have, and please treat me as a novice when I ask these questions, how large is the packaging industry, and what is packaging industry in general?
First of all, I would like to thank the Doordarshan Agartala, and I would like to thank my director Sri Rajesh Kumar Mishra sir, who is sitting in Mumbai, and my head of the department in IIP Kolkata, Dr. M.Madan sir. And as you rightly asked, the packaging is a lucrative and a huge business, and a country like India, it's the largest country on the earth right now. It is almost 1.4 billion people.
Yes, correct.
And now the culture has changed. The eating habits, food habits have changed. So we have a disposable culture, use and throw culture. So packaging, the main thrust area is food industry. Food, then comes pharma, then cosmetics and industries. So as this much people need a lot of food and preservation. So obviously the more the people are increasing and their needs are increasing, automatically packaging needs to be increased simultaneously in the same direction. So that is I think it's a fitting answer. As the people needs are increasing, packaging industry is also increasing in the same speed,
in the same manner.
The same manner.
তো বর্তমান ভারতবর্ষে যেরকম কনজিউমারের সংখ্যা বেড়েছে, ভারতবর্ষে জনসংখ্যা বিশ্বের সবচেয়ে বড় জনসংখ্যা এই মুহূর্তে, এবং কনজিউমার যেরকম সংখ্যা বেড়েছে, জনসংখ্যা বেড়েছে, তার সাথে যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজগুলো রয়েছে তার মধ্যেও পচনশীল এবং অপচনশীল বর্জ্য, তার সাথে এগুলো ডেলিভারি করা, প্যাকেজিং, সমস্ত কিছুর চাহিদা খুব দুর্বার গতিতে বেড়ে গেছে বলা যায়। এবং ভারতবর্ষ যেহেতু ওয়ান অফ দ্য লার্জেস্ট কান্ট্রিজ অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, আর এই মুহূর্তে পপুলেশনের দিক দিয়ে 1.4 বিলিয়ন পপুলেশন, তো সেভাবে দেখতে গেলে কিন্তু প্যাকেজিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রির যথেষ্ট প্রয়োজন রয়েছে ভারতবর্ষে, এবং ওয়ান অফ দ্য মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইন্ডাস্ট্রি বলাই যায়।
Actually, just now, Mr. Sanidhi, you have asked what is the packaging. Actually, many people think that packaging is like something like wrapping a paper or a wrapper or a film on a given material. No, it's not exactly the same. That is packing. So it's packaging. Ours is a packaging. So packaging is basically a science. It's a science. It is an art. It is an entrepreneurship. So packaging involves lot of scientific activities, lot of designing aspects, lot of printing aspects, even the marketing strategy. So many people think that packing and packaging are same. No, both are different. Packing is which is totally what I can say informal, without any science. Ours is Indian Institute of Packaging, not packing. So packaging involves a lot of scientific inputs. If you take for example chips. If you press the chips packet, Lay's chips packet, we will feel some air inside. Basically, it is not just air; it is a nitrogen. So nitrogen is an inert gas. In that, the food can preserve for 3 months or 6 months, or depends. So there is an actual difference. Like that, a lot of research is going in the packaging, not only just in the food industry, in the materials, like you check Tetra Pak, the milk preservation, blah 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 blah. So this is the difference between the packing and the packaging. So that is the reason I told you our institute is Indian Institute of Packaging. So after 1947, after independence, in 1966 we have started this the institute, Indian Institute of Packaging, and it evolved, coined, got a birth from mother institute called IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. I think IIFT is there in Kolkata. So in 1966 it is registered as a society, and the first branch was started in the financial capital, the Mumbai, in 1966. Then we have started all three sea metro cities, like next was in Chennai, then next was started in Kolkata, then 1984 I remember it was started in Delhi. Delhi. So we have the four pillars in the four Indian cities. We have a four big footprint of packaging importance. The main objective of the packaging IAP institution is to regulate, to police, to control the export packaging materials.
Okay.
Whatever the consignment will goes from the seaport or airport to other countries. That was the objective initially, to control the pride of the Indian products when it reaches across the ports, Indian ports or seaports. And later in 1980s, slowly we have started the short-term courses like 3 months course, weekly programs, 2 days programs to educate the Indian domestic industries. And in 1981 or 82, I remember our flagship program called a PGDP. It's called a PGDP, Postgraduate Diploma in Packaging, was started. This is mainly for, as I told you, this is a packaging science, needs all scientific students. So the prerequisite for this course is a student with any science background. He should have a physics, chemistry or mathematics. So especially exclusively for this program, we need the students only from science background for this PGDP.
Only for this
program.
Okay.
So there is a all India entrance exam. It is called IAP SET, Indian Stock Packaging Common Entrance Test. So next year for 2025, the last date to get the application by online or by in person from any branch of the IAPs by paying 500 rupees. You can get all the details in the website also. You can get the application form, or you can download the application form online by paying DD 500 rupees. And that is last date is June 20. And 29th, that is on Sunday, 2025, we have a all India entrance exam. So we will take only 30 students. It's not like we cannot take, because it's a very multifaceted and what I can say, integrated course.
Yeah.
And it's not like conventional university or academic education. 50% we have a in-person classes, and rest 50 to 60% are industrial visits and laboratories. We have a laboratories, like we will simulate the in packaging industry we use all types of materials like paper and paperboard, plastics, metal, glass, even textile materials like jute, cotton. And that era of using generic materials have gone. Now we are using a reinforcing materials to get the best properties in the packaging material. For example, to take a Tetra Pak. Tetra Pak is a combination of 7 to 6 layers. And with the 3-4 materials like plastic, aluminum foil and paper. So like that, there is a lot of research is going in Western countries. For example, let me take, I'm a printing expert. My domain is printing. I did printing in printing technology in engineering. Then I did masters in United States in RIT, Rochester Institute of Technology. Then I did my PhD in sustainability, PhD in sustainability. So like that, we have different domain experts in the institute.
Multifaceted indeed.
Like some faculty from food industry, some faculty are from pharma industry, some are from microbiology, some are from plastic technology. Like it's a multidisciplinary course, and it's a great material research, I can say. Great material research happening in the packaging industry. That is the reason, especially for this course, we have only prerequisites called a student with a science background. You should have a complete degree, or a finalist student can apply. You should have minimum second class pass. And nothing to worry for other students who have really passion and interest to pursue some course in packaging. We have other programs, customized programs like 2 days programs, 3 months programs. That is for non-science students also. Non-science students. So right now, for all northeastern states, for northeastern India, we have only the branch available is Kolkata, Indian Stock Packaging Kolkata. So we have a Dr. Bidanda sir is the head of the department in Kolkata. So we will look after, and Dr. Neela is the course coordinator, and I have recently transferred from IIP Hyderabad to Kolkata.
So to summarize what you said, যদি সামারাইজ করি দর্শকদের জন্য, তো এই যে পিজি ডিপ্লোমা কোর্সটা আছে সেটা শুধুমাত্র সায়েন্স ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডের যারা স্টুডেন্ট আছে তাদের জন্য এই কোর্সটা মিনিমাম সেকেন্ড ক্লাস স্কোর থাকতে হবে এক্সামে, এবং একটা এন্ট্রান্স টেস্টের মাধ্যমে এই ইনস্টিটিউটে আপনি অ্যাডমিশন পেতে পারেন। আপাতত ইনটেক ক্যাপাসিটি আছে 30, বিকজ ইটস এ মাল্টিফেসেটেড কোর্স, বিভিন্ন ধরনের স্পেশালিটি সম্পন্ন একটা কোর্স এটা। এবং ডেফিনেটলি another thing I would like to reiterate, you were talking about Tetra Paks and increasing longevity of products. At the same time, there must be lots of iterations and tests involved in the packaging industry. Can you tell me something about
definitely. It's a very critical and a very important question. The way like the human being is a system, human is a system. So package product is a system basically. Packaging material is different. Once the material is a bottle, take for example water bottle. A empty water bottle is different, but when you put a water inside, its body language is different. So right from raw material till it reaches the end user, it's a system. Package is a system. So when the raw material comes, we will test the parameters of the raw material, and the raw material will be converted into a design, maybe a bottle or a drum or a cover, whatever. So raw material, its quality, then conversion is a process through machine. After conversion, whether it can fulfill the function, required function of the user. Water, for example, Bisleri or Aquafina, they want to fill the water. So whether it can fulfill the functions, water bottles can be stacked, maybe
Correct, yeah.
100 kgs or 200 kgs, whether it can perform. So in the IAP laboratories, as rightly asked, we have different laboratories like physical laboratories, chemical laboratories, transport laboratories, physico-chemical laboratories. We will perform all the simulations, how it behave in a road, what are the physical mechanical properties it required, what are the biological properties, like for example, if milk is there, water is there, some fatty acids there. If a milk is packed in a pouch, there may be a migration of plastic material into the milk. So we will find out the extraction value, migration values, and we will find the stacking strength. We will find the, for example, if you take a bag, we will find the elongation strength, breaking strength. Like that, we have around 350 types of
different types of tests.
Different types of tests, 350. Even if you take human, we have around 40 to 50 tests, like blood test, BP test, sugar test, stool test, like that. Even the material is also same. They have around 350 to 400 tests, general testings. And as you know, the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard, has a clear cut rules and regulations, how to a water bottle can be made, how a corrugated box can be made. And we have to follow those same rules and regulations, and our laboratories are enable accredited laboratories. All labs are enable accredited laboratories. So we have to meet their checklist. We have to meet their rules and regulations. So we will conduct a lot of tests, and yeah, definitely people are from food, pharma, microbiology, printing, blah 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 blah. So these students, irrespective of their branch, these students will be treated as a packaging professional. They will be there will be, what I can say, very tough training to do the to generate the real time data.
So as per the, if we follow like the BIS standard, BIS standard follow করে বিভিন্ন ধরনের টেস্টিং এর মাধ্যমে ইটারেশন করা, টেস্টিং করা, জানা যায় প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাটেরিয়ালের ক্যাপাসিটি কতটা আছে, স্ট্রেংথ কতটা, আমরা স্ট্যাকিং করি এবং আমরা জাহাজের মাধ্যমে, জাহাজপথে, জলপথে যখন আমাদের এক্সপোর্ট করি তখন সেগুলো উইথস্ট্যান্ড করতে পারবে কিনা. One question I have regarding this is this course, like does this course have a sister course, like are there any subsidiary courses related to this?
Yeah. As I told you just now, the PGDP is the major flagship program. But not to what I can say, hurt the other people who are really interested in packaging, because the world is multifaceted and cross-functional right now. So we have other programs called 3 months course. It is called ITC, ITC course, Intensive Training Certificate course. So it's a 3 months course. We have planned twice in a year. Like one is in April to June, the another is November to March. So this 3 months program, it is open for preferably any degree, need not to be science, BA, BCom, whatever, business, BBA, whatever.
Okay, it's a 3 months course.
It's a 3 months course. Those who are, there is no age limit for this program.
Okay.
Anybody can join. And even industry people, even 50 years, 60 years people also can join. We will train and educate them, what is the importance, raw materials, testings, how the labs will work, how you can start an entrepreneurship. So this is the plan.
And any other course, like short-term course, like trainings and all?
Yes. We have some value-added programs, like those who are already having industries, packaging industry, like manufacturing.
Already there in the industry.
Yeah, they're in the industries. We have a 2 days program. Like, see, this is a 2 days program called Testing and Evaluation of Packaging Materials and Quality Control. So this is for the people already in the packaging industry, but they want to enhance their skills. Definitely. For that, we will show what our laboratories, our testing facilities, how best they can use our labs, and how they can compete in the international market by meeting the international standards, especially in the packaging materials. So like this, we have a food packaging 2 days program. Especially we take this northeastern state, especially Bengal, jute packaging, 2 days program on jute. Recently we have done a hackathon program for more than all India, pan India students. Around 40 students came recently, just 10 days back. So like that, pharmaceutical packaging. It's only 2 days program. Those pharma stakeholders can come there.
Okay.
Pharma, food packaging, testing and evaluation, like jute packaging, and even the transport packaging. Even there is one more course called danger goods packaging.
Danger goods
packaging. See, if you take, there are many chemicals, powders or liquids are very dangerous, highly flammable, like petrol, blah blah blah. So those who are working in the danger goods, battery making, they have specified, customized, tailor-made courses in IIP. They will be exposed or educated or sensitized in following the international norms. Like for if you want to send a danger goods in a sea through water, through ship, there is IMDG code, International Maritime Danger Goods.
Okay.
There is a code.
Okay.
There is a rules and regulation. If you want to send by air, there is a international ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. These are the international organizations directly controlled by UNO, United Nations Organization. There is an international government looking, controlling, regulating, or policing all the things for all the countries, not only just for in India. Everyone will be controlled very seriously because ocean, 70% of the ocean. Ocean belongs to all the nations.
So there are different SOPs and all with regards to these rules and regulations. So you right now your institution is providing basically 3 major courses. So the first one is for the science graduates. It's
our flagship program,
a diploma program, a post graduation diploma program, and it's a flagship program, and
with a 100% placement guarantee.
Okay, there's a 100% placement guarantee. So I'm going to come to that. Before that, দর্শকদের জন্য একটু আমি সামারাইজ করে দিচ্ছি বিষয়টাকে।
I can tell about the fees and everything.
হ্যাঁ। তো এখানে ম্যাক্সিমাম এজ লিমিট আছে ফর জেনারেল ক্যাটাগরি 30 ইয়ার্স, আর অন্যদের জন্য আরো ছাড় রয়েছে। তো এটার মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন স্টেট অফ দি আর্ট যে আমাদের টেস্টিং আর ইটারেশন যে ফ্যাসিলিটিগুলো আছে সেগুলো নিয়ে আমরা সেগুলোর ব্যাপারে ওয়াকিবহাল হতে পারবে স্টুডেন্টরা। এবং ইনস্টিটিউট ইজ ইন্ডিয়ান ইনস্টিটিউট অফ প্যাকেজিং। কলকাতা যে সেন্টারটা রয়েছে সেটা নর্থ ইস্টার্ন যারা ছাত্রছাত্রীরা এবং অ্যাসপারেন্টরা রয়েছে তাদের জন্য কলকাতা সেন্টারটা রয়েছে। আপনারা ওয়েবসাইটে গিয়ে সমস্ত তথ্য জানতে পারবেন, ইন্ডিয়ান ইনস্টিটিউট অফ প্যাকেজিং। অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম আরও সাবসিডারি দুটো কোর্স, বেসিক আরও বিভিন্ন কোর্সেস রয়েছে, বাট আমরা এখানে 3টে কোর্সের ব্যাপারে আলোচনা করছি। একটা হলো যারা অলরেডি ইন্ডাস্ট্রি এক্সপার্টস আছেন, যারা এনহ্যান্স করতে চান নিজেদের স্কিল, আরেকটু আপস্কিল করতে চান, তারা এই 2 days ট্রেনিং কোর্সটাতে যেতে পারেন। আর ফাইনালি যারা নন সায়েন্স ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড স্টুডেন্ট তাদের জন্য রয়েছে এই কোর্সটা। এটা 3 months কোর্স, এবং এই কোর্সের মাধ্যমে আপনারা সমস্ত স্কিল যা যা রয়েছে তার সাথে ইন্ট্রোডিউসড হতে পারবেন, এবং এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে হয়তো আপনার ফুটপ্রিন্ট পড়তে পারে, আপনি হয়তো এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে আরও এগোতে পারেন। এখন একটু জেনে নেব, আই উড লাইক টু নো অ্যাবাউট what a student is supposed to do after they've graduated class 12th. What is the course of plan, like just to revise?
Especially, honestly speaking, the students who have completed class 12th who don't have any courses in IIP right now. But point of correction, in Delhi center, IIP center, we have recently started. I think last 2 years back, 1 year back, started BSc. BS in packaging technology. So those who wants to do the course,
start younger.
After 12th, they have to opt only IIP Delhi. So in IIP Delhi we have a BS in packaging technology. The rest, the pan India other institutes having only postgraduate courses. In Hyderabad we have MS in packaging technology. In Kolkata we have a PGDP. In even Mumbai IIP we have a same course, PGDP. So, and they have collaborated to their local big universities, like in Delhi Indraprasth University, in Hyderabad JNT University, and this Mumbai and Kolkata is doing PGDP program, postgraduate diploma. So for 12th class who have completed 12th, if they want to enter into this packaging line, they can definitely opt IIP Delhi. Okay.
So now we'll come to the course, the PG diploma course. I would like to know what is the fee structure and then placements.
Definitely, these are the critical points. So for PGDP, especially for IIP Kolkata, this is roughly to 4 to 5 lakhs for 2 years. 4 to 5 lakhs. It will be including all the tuition fees and admission fees, everything. So roughly you have to put it 4 to 5 lakhs. Per semester the fees is 65,000 plus GST. 65,000 plus GST 18%. It will be around 70,000. So it's like, as I told you, it's a 2 years course. That means it's a 4 semesters. So first 3 semesters we'll have regular classes, laboratories, hands-on training and practicals, and industrial visits. And in the 4th semester, companies will come and pick up the student for internships. They will come to the campus. They will pick up the best students out of 30. Any company can come and any student may be picked up. A pharma student might be picked up by a food industry. Because he's a packaging professional at the end of the day. So for the last semester, it is an internship. It's a real-time internship in the company. They have to do the project. they have to under a mentor in a company, and still they are IP students. We are having control on them. So they have to complete the project and they have to submit the project to the IAP again.
Okay.
And there will be a capstone project. He has to face the interview.
This will be the first capstone project.
Yes, capstone project on packaging.
Yeah, on packaging.
So as I told you, it's a 4 semester, 3 semester classes, then 4 semester internship. The fees is 65,000 plus GST, around 70,000. It will be around mota, it will be 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs
for 2 years. And the average salary one can expect is around 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. Even I remember some students have got 15 to 18 lakhs per annum, depending on the student caliber and interest and his innovation thoughts. So expect minimum 6 to up to 12 to 15 lakhs.
এখানে লক্ষণীয় যে এই ইনস্টিটিউট থেকে ভারত সরকারের ইন্ডিয়ান ইনস্টিটিউট অফ প্যাকেজিং, এই ইনস্টিটিউট থেকে গ্র্যাজুয়েশন করার পর স্টুডেন্টসরা, ফ্রেশার্সরা বলছেন 6 থেকে 10 লাখ টাকার প্যাকেজ পেয়ে প্লিজড হচ্ছেন, এবং অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম এমনও কিছু এক্সেপশনস রয়েছে যারা 18 লাখ অবধি প্লেসমেন্ট পেয়েছেন। এবং এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে লাস্ট সেমেস্টারে একটা ক্যাপস্টোন প্রজেক্টও সাবমিট করতে হচ্ছে, তার মানে একদম হ্যান্ডস অন এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ইজ ইনভলভড ইন দিস এন্টায়ার প্রসেস। সো again coming back to the major industries, because we are talking about the market here, so the food industry and the pharma, so we were discussing a little while back, what are the different criteria that we have to look when we are designing for these two industries?
Yeah, definitely. See, as I told you, there are majorly 4 thrust areas like food industry, any food industry, and pharma and cosmetics and industrial goods, light industrial goods and heavy industrial goods, and no doubt it's for exports and imports. So actually, if you take a 10 rupees water bottle, we think it's just a 10 rupees water bottle, and I can bet behind a 10 rupees water bottle, it may be a Bisleri or whatever, there will be around 10 serious business people.
Okay.
10 serious business people. Like the first, like end to end, if you think end to end, there will be some raw material supplier, that dana, the plastic dana, maybe PET bottle, PET material, LDP or LLDP, whatever. Then that raw material has to be converted into a design. So we need a designers using softwares like SolidWorks or CATIA or AutoCAD. We have to make a design first. Whether what type of who is your end user, like a 1 liter bottle or 2 liter bottle, based on the culture and geographical importance. So you need a designers, and once you make the design, you have to convert the design into the reality, the thought into reality. So the raw material will be put in a machine, the machine will convert into the bottle. So you need a machinery, packaging machinery, heavy duty packaging machinery, and the packaging machine, like it works like a hand, the way we do it works. So there is a lot of that is the reason I told you this packaging industry needs all mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, electronics engineers, even biological background, printing engineers.
And designers,
designers. Once you make a water bottle, it is not completed. You need a beautiful printing, like a label on a water bottle. You need to print it. You need to find the branding, trademark.
Make it marketable.
Yes, you need to choose the color. It's a warm color, cool color. Who is your end target? Is a child? What is the age of your end user? Whether you want to use, what type of typography you want to use.
It's a huge market.
It's a huge market.
Yes. And food and pharma, definitely it's the Indian consumerism is an ever increasing market, right? So in this market, there's so much consumerism, and at the same time this institute is providing these state of the art hands-on experience. I would like to know what are the companies that, like mota what companies are approaching?
Yes. I can say all the companies under the sun. Everyone is at the end of the day, dawn to dusk.
With regard to say the placements,
everyone needs packaging material. Everyone, even take it from farm to factory, factory to end user, from farm to factory, factory to end user. Everyone needs packaging. So, but in the different styles, So you name it, as I told you in the brochure, we have around 150 companies like you, right from MNCs and even the Indian companies like Unilever, Procter & Gamble, Colgate-Palmolive, Wipro, Tata, even the automobile industries, they have a lot of automobiles. They need packaging, corrugated boxes.
True.
So you name it, any company, even the pharma company like Mylan, Hetero, Dr. Reddy's, you name it. L&T, even cement packing. Anything, Ultratech.
তো যারা এই ইনস্টিটিউট থেকে গ্র্যাজুয়েট হচ্ছেন, এই সমস্ত কোম্পানি থেকে আপনার প্যাকেজ পাওয়ার পসিবিলিটি রয়েছে, এবং অলমোস্ট গ্যারান্টিড, অলমোস্ট না, I can say it's guaranteed
because we have only 30 students.
We have only 30 students, and at the same time it's a government institute, so the possibility is very high. It's a lucrative opportunity. যারা আছেন দর্শকরা, আপনার জন্য বিশাল অপরচুনিটি, এটা কলকাতা কলকাতাতে যে সেন্টারটা রয়েছে, যে ইনস্টিটিউটটা রয়েছে, সেটা নর্থ ইস্টের জন্য ইজ দ্য বিকন। তাছাড়াও দিল্লিতে যে সেন্টারটা রয়েছে, ওখানে আপনারা গ্র্যাজুয়েশন করতে পারেন, প্যাকেজিংয়ে বিএসসি করতে পারেন। এটা ইতিমধ্যেই শুরু হয়েছে, ভেরি রিসেন্টলি এটা শুরু হয়েছে। এই অপরচুনিটিটা গ্র্যাব করা এখন আমাদের রাজ্যের যুবার দায়িত্ব। ওয়েবসাইটের হদিশ রয়েছে, আপনারা ওয়েবসাইটে যোগাযোগ করে ওখান থেকে ইনফরমেশন পেতে পারেন। ইন্ডিয়ান ইনস্টিটিউট অফ প্যাকেজিং। আমার সাথে ছিলেন ভেরি এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি মিস্টার মদন মোহন। ইট ওয়াজ নাইস টকিং টু ইউ।
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and I would like to once again, thank the Doordarshan Agartala for giving this opportunity. And our objective is very clear. We want to disseminate and inform and educate and sensitize the people of these northeastern students. There are different types of avenues to enter into, like a packaging or
Yeah,
other
that is
things.
true.
That's the main objective, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.